What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the another video. In my previous video I talk about that I have some accessories for my device I got for this device, and should I do unboxing or not, and you guys were kind enough to say yes, do an unboxing. So here are a couple of accessories over here. A very important thing, these are not sponsored videos. I got them for myself. Why I got these things, I will also talk about that, because the battery life is getting drained a lot. Battery health has been ruined on my this device. It is dropping every week, so I want good accessories for charging purposes. So this videos can also be all about and how you can improve the battery life of your device. Well, you can improve the battery life of your device by using the best possible products. So here are two different products. One is definitely a charger, and the other one is what it is pro magnetic bracket. No, it is not, it is actually a power bank. So let's begin this unboxing over here, and let's begin with this one. And here is the QR code over here, this one that tells you that this is the genuine product. There is a code over here, I checked this, and it is the genuine product, which is a good news. Let's begin the unboxing of this brick. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is recycled material, a simple box, a very small box, in fact, very minimalist box. So okay, so here is the brick, here is some paperwork. This is charge fast, live more. I don't know who is going to read this. Here are some other paperwork, QC passed. Here's some other details. I'm gonna put this aside, take out this brick, quite small in size, really cool unboxing experience. And over here, this is how it looks like. A very small in size IQ3 from Anchor. As you can see, this is the branding over here. No details, every other detail is in the bottom. This is PowerPort 3 Nano Edition 20-watt fast charger. I mean, it's 20 watts, so you can consider it a fast charger, because before this I'm using the charger that is also a fast charger, but I don't know, for some reason that charger is not really good. It is really ruining my battery life. That is why I'm switching to this one, and I will share my experience after using it. It's a USB type C, because I do have USB type C that comes in a box with the iPhone 14. So yes, convenient one, which is already good. Now moving to the next accessory, the favorite one over here is the Baseus 2-in-1 wireless charging and phone holder. And the model is Baseus Mag Pro magnetic bracket wireless fast charging power bank. It is 5000 mAh capacity. There were option of 10,000 mAh capacity, but there was no holder, so I want something that I can use as a holder too. Also, there is also a code over here that ensures that this is also a genuine product, which is really nice. Let's get into the unboxing. Again, I'm gonna waste a lot of time in unboxing. Why not? Okay, I don't want to ruin the packaging. Okay, good to go. Finally it happened. Not so good unboxing experience. Okay, this is the product. There is some paperwork. Okay, this is some paperwork. I will first open this. Are these stickers or what? Okay, I think these are the stickers that I can use. As you can see, open over here. So these are some of the stickers. This is a warranty card, and there is some paperwork over here. Nice. Now moving back to the product over here, this is how the product box looks like. Quite simple, not so heavy, but huge in size, by the way. Putting over here, there is a USB to USB C cable. Wait a second. Why it is USB to USB-C? It is for just iPhone 15 because this one is magnetic, and magnetic comes with iPhone pretty much. And I think there should be a lightning cable, but still there is a USB to USB-C. I do have lightning cable, so I will use that. No issues at all. Now, moment of truth. Let's open this one. Ooh, nice matte design, shiny 20 watt. Here is the USB-C connector. I'm supposed to remove this one from here. This is how it looks like, and okay, this is how it sets on your desk. So turn this on. There is a power button over here. Let me see if it is not strong because this is not the original cover. Okay, it is on automatically. I just connect this one and it is on automatically. Let me remove this case because this case is not MagSafe support, as you can see, because this is not an original one. Original one is also coming on the way. I ordered that too. Okay, it is quite strong, 32% charge. This is how it looks like. Device is quite heavy. It is not that slim because, as you can see, it is double than my device, but it is quite magnetic. So yeah, it is now charging my device. That is the wrong passcode. Anyways, I can keep it like this if I want to, and I can also rotate it if I want to and make it look like something like this. And the moment of truth, here is standby mode, that is also available over here. So welcome to the standby mode. This is how the standby mode looks like. I have a lot of options going over here. I can also customize this if I want to, but this is how it looks like, and it looks really convenient. So yeah, it is over here. I don't want to see photos or anything, but yeah, it is. So I will definitely use it for a few days and then we'll come back with a review if you guys want to see a review. But here it is, and I need to learn about these indicators. So well, this is about this video. 2 different charging accessories to improve the battery health of my device. Let's see how things turn out. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.